the phases of the moon. First, let's start with some fun facts. So the moon is a celestial body that makes an orbit around the planet. In this case, can be the moon and the earth. So the moon do not make their own light. Instead, they reflect light from the sun, like take light from the sun and reflect it back to the earth, to a planet. In this case, it could be the earth. Many planets have moons except for Venus and Mercury. Earth has one moon, while Mars has 2 moons. But other planets after the asteroid belt, like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, have more moons than them. The reason why our moon has craters is because meteorites, the pieces of asteroid, when they try to hit the earth, the moon is the guardian and is protecting the earth. That's why there's some craters. And also, the moon does not have an atmosphere, and but the earth does. So what that means is that when the meteorites try to hit like the moon, it'll just go to the moon and hit it. But if the meteorites try to go hit the earth's atmosphere could just burn the meteorite. Moon can control the tides of the earth, like it can make the tides go up and down. And this is because of the gravity. The moon has very less gravity compared to Earth, so you could basically float on it. And also the moon does not have any weather like raining or snowing because it doesn't have any atmosphere. The moon takes 29.5 days to orbit around the Earth. Because of that, the moon changes its form. So it first starts when it's a new moon, which is completely black like this. You can see? So it will start right here. This is the new moon. Then it'll go to waxing crescent. You can see a little bit of light is coming. Then we'll go to first quarter, half of it. If you do it half, you can see this side is dark, the other side is light. And this side, this is the waxing, so this is the waxing crescent, this one is the waxing gibbous. So this one you can see right here, more light is coming. And then that's a full moon, completely light. But then comes waning gibbous, where a little bit of the dark side is coming. And then it starts getting a little bit more darker. It's called third quarter. You can see right here. And then it comes a little bit more darker. That's called waning crescent. And then it goes back to new moon. It takes about 29.5 days for it to come back to the new moon. So every phase has 3.5 days. Like, this is 3.5 days, like that. Like the first person to step on the moon was Neil Armstrong, who's from the United States, and the spaceship he used was Apollo 11. Because the moon does not have any atmosphere or like weather or anything like that, we can still see Neil Armstrong's footsteps on the moon. We can only see one side of the moon because Earth and the moon orbit on their own axis at the same rate, so we can only see one side of the moon.